Up the rankings in Bishkek, and he's here to give absolutely everything for bronze. Hamzaев of Kyrgyzstan is in the blue. Iliev of Bulgaria is in the red. Iliev was a repechage. For Hamzaev, already an impressive campaign. He's beaten the European champion and double world bronze medalist Selçuk Can in one of the earlier rounds. So Hamzaev already overperforming for expectation perhaps. Can he go all the way?
Саймадан супер сунуш. Куаттуу гигабиттик жаңы муундагы Wi-Fi роутер. Секундасына 1 гигабитке чейин супер ылдамдыкты колдоо. Ар түрдүү диапазондогу 2 Wi-Fi тармагын жөндөө мүмкүнчүлүгү. Үйүңүздүн каалаган бурчунда туруктуу интернет. Жана ушуну сиз премиум 500 плюс ОТВдын супер ылдам тарифин кошууда таптакыр акысыз аласыз. Күтүүнүн кереги жок. Сайманы кош.
Really impressive. Read that one long ago, and he's got airtime here for the throw. It's going to be more points, the 4 added, and then a 2, and this is all over. If this is challenged and upheld, this is in the books for Hamzaev.
I mean, the challenge coming in from the Bulgarian corner, assuming that it was a slip throw in the beginning, but yeah, points given. It's not a slip throw, like you said, Jack. It is a quick finish from Hamzaev.
Now, George, talk us through the viewpoint from the video replay team. What will they be looking for there?
They'll be looking for contact made. If the slip throws there, if he goes for the throw and there's no contact whatsoever and he falls to the ground, it's the slip throw. What the referees want to see from Hamzaev is him stopping the motion before he hits the ground, catching him, if you will, and then going behind. And he did have hold of the body a little. He did slow down the throw. And here's the 4 points after that, and then the 2-point roll after that, and he just kept going. Iliev had to tick him on the arm and say, listen, it's time to stop.
Do you think there was enough of a controlled break on the slip throw on Iliev?
I mean, I've seen him given, I've seen him not given, but as you see here, he drags him back and then goes behind. He's got control there. He caught him and then dragged him backwards. So in my opinion, I'd give the 2 points, personally, because it's not a slip throw, it's not going directly to the ground and stop. It's down, being caught, being dragged backwards before you eventually fall on top.
There's a good 2 steps of dragging Iliev there. Let's listen in here.
Challenge decision. Action. Action is not risked by. Action is not risked by. Action is not risked by red. Blue wrestlers attack and they make a big down 2 points for blue and then 4-point action by blue. This is no wrestler did not come to neutral position, and this is 2 points again. So final decision: 2 blue, 4 blue, 2 blue, and challenge loose.
It is all on.
Rolled him through, didn't he? He caught. That's what I mean by the slip throw. If you can just catch somebody and take the momentum, take the fizz out of the throw, and you can just control it for even half a second, and you get that, they're going to give you the 2 points there.